half my videos are just me saying to Archie, no, please. If you're from Australia, you might know a chocolate chain called Max Brenner. So Max Brenner is a coffee shop, or Max Brenner himself is a chocolatier, they call him. When you go order a hot chocolate from Max Brenner, there's a whole bunch of different options, and one of the options is called an Italian thick. And it is, without a doubt, my favorite hot chocolate in the world. And the only issue is that it costs a bit over $7. I probably could have paid off my university tuition with the amount of money that I have spent on those damn hot chocolates throughout university. So I think that it's time that I stopped buying them and started making them for myself. Last time that I went, Dan and I peered over the coffee machine and we watched the barista making it, and it seemed as though they used melted chocolate, which looked quite runny, which made me think that perhaps the melted chocolate just had some milk in it to kind of make it a bit more runny, and custard. And that seemed to be about it. So that's what I'm gonna do for you today, guys. I have tried this, I have tested it. It is absolutely delicious, I love it. It is not healthy at all. So if you're diabetic, pre-diabetic, watching your weight, or sensible, then please turn off this video now, because this is not for you. This video is for those of us that don't mind killing ourselves with kindness and drinking an entire bucket of liquid chocolate. So without further ado, let's go to the tutorial. Are you ready? What we need for this tutorial is a Pyrex container, a bag of chocolate melts. You can use white chocolate if you want to color it, or you can use milk chocolate or dark chocolate, whatever your preference is. We'll need custard, which is a key ingredient. I'm using this Farmhouse Gold, but you can use any brand of custard. Milk, of course, but milk is ugly, so that's not going to be in frame. We'll top it with some whipped cream. We'll need food coloring. I've got purple. This is ube extract, which is a sweet potato, but you can just use purple food dye if you want. I've also got some pink food dye here, which has a blue lid, which is confusing, but that is pink. And then a whole bunch of toppings. Any really, it really doesn't matter. I've got edible glitter, I've got a bunch of different stars and little sprinkles and little chocolatey things. And that's it. That's all you need. And you'll need a glass to put it all in. Very simple. Just pop your white chocolate melts. Now I'm going to use half a bag, but you can use the whole thing if you're feeling like a heart attack. Cover the chocolate melts in milk, microwave it for a minute. Archie interlude. This is a very important step. You want the cutest spoon you can possibly find to stir it all up. Okay, so that's had 1 minute in the microwave, so we're just going to give it a stir. It'll start to thicken up as you stir it. The chocolate should all be melted. Once that's stirred, we're just going to get that custard, and I'm going to add a couple of dollops. So that's enough. And then we're just going to give that a stir. And that's going to go back in the microwave for another 30 seconds. Okay, so we're going in with pink food coloring. Now I don't bother to separate it before I do the pink and the purple. I literally just do the pink first and then put purple over the top. Might need a little bit more. Now you could always add strawberry flavouring if you really wanted to, instead of pink food colouring, but I'm not the biggest fan of artificial strawberry milk. Half of that can go into our glass. And now we're going to go in with the ube, just a drop. Using a very big spoon. No, no, No. Take our whipped cream. No! Oh my god. I just need a moment. This is what I would assume if you bottled Morgan Freeman's voice and turned it into a drink, that is what this is. It is thick and smooth and rich and luscious and... oh, I'm so happy. Dead. I'm dead. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.